Hi guys, welcome to the Customer Support Team Leader Mastery Certification by Customer Support School. My name is Govindra Shetty. I'm the trainer of customersupportschool.com. Welcome to this program. This is one of the important program which every team leader must do and certify themselves as a certified customer support team leader. It's really very important to build your muscles and become a highly effective team leader in the customer support department and in the customer support organization domain. So this training is conducted in depth by understanding each and every requirement, each and every challenges which the customer support go through. Let me get into the training and explain you each and every aspect which will be taught in this training. What do you learn in this training? You learn the good practices which the existing customer support department team leaders should know. You learn how to establish leadership skills and management skill sets. You learn how to find and manage front end support team. You find how to build a highly effective team. You find learn various matrices which are required to run the customer support department. You learn the importance of workforce management. You learn the performance management. You learn how to take care of the quality management. Isn't this interesting? There are detailed course structure. Let me get into it. Introduction to customer support, career in customer support department, customer support maturity stages, customer support business planning strategy, customer support center additional process, support metric management, support quality management, support performance management, teamwork and employee motivation, workforce and training management. All these things are covered in this mastery program. Let me get into the each aspect of this section. So section 1, what we're going to learn? Section 1, we are going to learn in depth about the type of customer support center we have, about the career in the customer support, about the various touch point in the customer support, about the role of customer support center, how to become an effective customer support leader. We're going to learn that in section 1. Let's move to section 2. Section 2, we're going to talk about various career options available in the customer support department, the roles and responsibility of all those departments, and how you're going to coordinate with those departments. All those things will be taught in the career in customer support department. Particularly, this will help you to know like how you can grow in other department also, being working in the customer support department. Let's move on to the other section. Other section is about support maturity. What you learn in this stage is like how the support department starts, right from the reactive stage to the business centric stage. You get each and every aspect of this maturity assessment. And then in section 4, you talk about customer support, business planning and strategy. Very important. As a team leader, you should know how the business planning and strategy is done, how the SLA, how the operating level agreement, how the standard operating procedures are written, and why it is important. You're going to learn all this in this master certification program. In section 5, I'm going to take you through the ITIL process. ITIL process is the leading IT software good practice product, which we are going to introduce in this mastery program, and we are going to touch base all the important service desk operation which ITIL suggests, and as a team leader, what all your roles and responsibilities in each ITIL process to operate the service operation. We're going to talk about the support matrices, the important part in this course. The support matrices, you're going to identify why metric is important. We're going to take a case study, trend and gap analysis, and understand how as a team leader practically you can solve your team problem of non performance. We're going to deep dive into performance management process. In performance management process, we're going to talk about bi-weekly process. We're going to talk about shadow file. We're going to talk about how to practically calculate agent and benchmarking methods. We're going to talk about support quality management. In section 8, support quality management, we're going to talk about good practices of the SaaS company which has implemented the quality assurance process. We're going to talk about the outlier management program to identify bottom performance and improve the team performance. We're also going to talk about dissat analysis. Dissat analysis is very important. We're going to talk about agent level variation in depth case study. And in section 9, we're going to learn about team development, characteristic of high performing team. We're also going to learn about how to recognize the team employee. And finally, we're going to conclude this mastery program by understanding what is your role in the workforce management program and how you should manage the workforce management program as a team leader. You'll also learn how the hiring and training, recruitment planning is done, how the Gantt chart is prepared, and how the entire training activity is taken care of. So are you excited? If you're excited, then get and enroll into this course and become a certified, customer support leader in the industry.